And we're back to learning CapCut in here, day 44. Let me show you how you can create a manual fade in. We use this clip right here again. Make sure it's active in the timeline. If it isn't, left click on it, then you can find the video basic. Go to start fully on the left. You should see only zeros here in this turquoise number. Then open the drop down for blend and we want to use opacity. We're at the start position and create a keyframe and go down to 0%. Then I go forward, create another keyframe by clicking on the diamond icon and make it 100%. And that's all there is basically. And you can now adjust it by dragging these keyframes around. If you make the gap between them smaller, the fade will be faster. And if you make the gap bigger, you can see it fades fairly slow. So you can now adjust it manually, and on the right you can actually see the opacity being animated in real time. So very easy to do, just create two keyframes, and for a fade in, the first keyframe should have 0%, the second 100, and then reposition them. And this is how you can create a manual fade in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.